Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by opening Google Maps on your device and picking a place with 3D coverage, like a major city. Tap Satellite to switch imagery, then enable Tilt or 3D. On desktop, hold Control and drag or click the 3D button. Once done, zoom in so basemap tiles load at higher detail. This ensures buildings and terrain render in 3 dimensions. Make sure your connection is stable, because imagery and 3D models stream as you move around. Now you'll learn to control the scene. Rotate with 2 fingers on mobile or right-click drag on desktop to get the perspective you need. Pinch to zoom and tilt to adjust elevation so building heights and terrain are clear. Use plus and minus for finer zoom steps, and turn on labels so you can read streets and place names while seeing 3D shapes. Once you've framed your shot, use Street View where available to drop down to ground level for context. To finish, capture the view with a screenshot or use Share Embed Map for a saved link. On desktop, use Print Save as PDF for high-res output. If buildings don't appear, clear cache, reload the page, or toggle satellite off and on to force tile refresh. If issues persist, make sure your app and GPU drivers are up to date, or try another device. Sometimes browser or hardware acceleration settings prevent proper 3D rendering.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.